Hey everyone, in this video we'll discuss about anti-gravity, like what is the purpose of anti-gravity, how we can use it, and at the same time how can we install this in our system. So anti-gravity is one of the Google tool. Basically it's a IDE, integrated development environment, like how we have Visual Studio, right? In the same way we have this anti-gravity. So earlier we have windsurf and other things, right? In the same way, it will do the same thing. We can chat and we can ask the model to implement something. So all these things uh, we can do. Okay. So like kind of say windsurf, you can say. So let's say windsurf, you want to create one application, any software project you want to do. So simply you can go there and you can do the chat and it will do the things right in the same way. So anti-gravity will do the same purpose, but at the same time, the other features which are there is it will do some more things, like it will you are able to access the Google Gemini model. That is one thing. And after that, create a desktop icon on this, and yeah. Okay, so don't touch anything. Yeah. So what it will do is like similar to Windsurf and how we have that IDE, right? So it will also provide that IDE, but apart from Windsurf, like there is some different models available here. You have the Gemini access, at the same time you have Claude also in the current version. Of course, there are some context limits applicable, like once your token limit is gone, so then you need to do some buying something, or that we have to see. You can see the pricing and other things, like okay, for that context. But ideally this is how you have to download it, like go to this anti-gravity google.com, and after that you can see this. So, but what they mentioned is multiple agents will be available. It will discuss, it will do the testing, it will do the, let's say your product is created. So you have to test whether the product is working fine or not, right? So it will automatically push that thing, and it will do the validations, it will do the search and all those stuff. And so that's what mentioned in the documentation. So I didn't try it personally, so I'm trying right now. So I'll check that, and I'll share you the updates, like how it was working and what is the scope of it, whether it's better than windsurf, and all those things we'll discuss later. And this is the official page. You have this, yeah, I think this one anti-gravity opened. Okay, okay. We have to do the setup. You can see this cursor, windsurf. We can choose the flow. Let me choose start fresh. So we can choose any of the P. Always most of 99% developers choose dark mode. It will be good for eye care. So, so don't touch anything, because agent driven development or review driven. So I think this is what they suggesting. Like, okay, so strict mode, review driven, and custom configuration. It's better to go with whatever they are suggesting. It's a review driven one. Go for this review driven, and after that go with this recommended. We have to sign in with Google. Okay, let me sign up. Okay, sign in there. Okay, this is my mail ID. I'm given this mail ID. Okay, it was asking a password. I forget my password, but I noted it down somewhere. Let me check. Mm-hmm. Where is my password? Okay. Okay. I think, yeah, it was Sign in is done. So initially it will do the authentication, and once you are done with this, yeah, we got this. Given some terms and uses like anti-gravity is known to certain security limitations. Okay, okay, got it. Action over next. So we can open anything. You can see this like this is the IDE similar to like I can open any workspace and I can clone something I can do, or I can create my own stuff here. And best thing is this. Okay, this is a chart window. Here you can select the model. Like it has Gemini 3.1, 3. Gemini 3. Claude is also there. Opus is there. GPT model is there. So it has all these models. Like of course it has around three total six models are available. Okay, and this is one more mode. Like fast is something which is agent will execute task directly. Like it's better to go ahead with the planning approach. Okay, so if you it is one of the mode. Let's say if you select planning, right? So it will do the things in a step-by-step manner. So you can review it. You can give some validations. You can say some points. In that way, you can do. So better go with this planning mode only, and after that you can choose something or you can create your own folder. These are normal like how we have this Visual Studio part, right? So in the same way, uh, yeah, then after that these are like extensions, and after that we're running a debug source control if you want to set something. So these are the things. Simply you can go to terminal, you can create some new terminal. You can do this virtual environment and all those stuffs you can do, but instead of creating that you can ask the model to do the so create virtual environment and all these things. But my suggestion is like, let's say, ultimately what you will do is like you will chat here whatever requirements you have. Let's say you want to do some URL shortener. Like URL shortener is one of the most important basic system design thing, right? So you want to implement that. So maybe you can ask this. So I want to create one URL shortener, create this application. So maybe you can say all these things. Or one of the best approach is create some markdown files, .md files. Give instructions in instructions.md, and as well as the use case.md or business features.md. So what you'll do, instead of writing all these things in the chart, you can tell the model like go to this particular markdown file and implement the flow as per the instructions which are there in the markdown. In that way, so instead of you telling everything in the chat, so model will understand, okay, what is there in the step by step, and it will execute the things. Then you can review it, you can do that. And that's the overall thing. I'll try to do some sample. I'll let you know. I'll create some separate video, but this is just a intro, like what is the scope of anti-gravity, and what you can do with this, and what are the major concept behind this anti-gravity. That's what I want to cover, and how to do the installation and everything. So this is how you can do the installation. Yeah, you can see some pricing also, like it's a individual plan like which is available. So it will have these models, and weekly rate limits will be applicable. You can see this. So you have to be careful. And after developer plan is something like as your daily driver via Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription. So you need some subscription. Okay. So you can click on this get plan. I don't want to explore that. Okay. Yeah, that's how you can see this. You can see some examples also, full stack examples, and after that, professional use cases you can see, and you can get some inspiration, or it will, you can see this how to reduce the context switching, and how to do this thing, how to going from 90% to 100%, how you can create that prototype. So all these examples you can see, and you can get some clarity directly from the Google team. So yeah, they'll share some tricks and tips, so how we can implement. So and also it will provide some kind of a blog. So what other things are available in this anti-gravity one? So Nano Banana Pro is also available in this anti-gravity. So you can read these blogs, you can try something, and after that you can see the documentation, how you can do this, and after that in this way it will look like that, and after that, okay, so Firebase Studio migration. We'll discuss all these things whenever it's required. And also most important thing is you can call the MCP, right? Model Context Protocols. So in the same tool itself, you can see this customization and MCP service. This is one of the most important features. So if you select this, you can connect to the different MCP servers. So that also you can do. Just check. You can see this Cloud Run, Kubernetes Start, Firebase. So all these MCPs are available. Let's say if you want to create your own thing, then you can manage like your MCP servers, and at the same time you can go for this customization, and you can see this, right? So at this moment, I don't want all these things. I can do later, but yeah, this is how you can connect to the MCPs and all those things you can do. So better go through this documentation, and it will tell you how you can say this, and you can see like what kind of a servers are available and all the explanation. You can Stripe, let's say you want to implement one payment gateway, so through Stripe you can do that, or through PayPal you can do this. All this information is available. So or if you want to deploy your application, so that is also there. So yeah, so that's how things are available. And artifact editors, artifacts and all those things are there. So we'll see, all these things is better if you go through the documentation only, then you'll get a lot of clarity. So yeah, that's it. And every 5 hours until weekly remit. So okay, so there is some quota is there. So just check before you're using that. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And can play around, and you can see this. You can choose all these things. Okay, so if required, I'll try to create one more video completely on this documentation itself, and I'll create one project and I'll share that one. So, okay, so till that time, take care. Bye bye.